Hello there, Merv here for a pro overview of Omni Cube's first large format thin material solution, or LFTM as we like to call it. LFTM, like decked-on, neolith and gauge porcelain slabs, are quickly gaining traction. You've likely seen this thin material being used for countertops, wall panels, flooring, outdoor cladding and even furniture. We did our research and talked to people like you and learned that there was no ideal solution for transporting, handling and installing full-size thin slabs until now. Introducing our fully customizable, lightweight solution, the Slab Saver, or S3 for short. The S3 is a reinforcement system that was built to do just that: reinforce and protect your fragile thin material. The combination of these solid machine clamps and lightweight extruded aluminum reel make this system ideal for providing strength and support and eliminating flexing and twisting of your material. The S3 works on gauged or thin porcelain slabs and sintered stone. Let's take a closer look. Each adjustable reel extends from 63 to 126 inches, holds up to 200 pounds and features our beloved 6-inch non-marking rubber cups with their concave design and flexible triple sealing rings that allow for quick attachment and a tight hold on even bowed or textured surfaces. Not to mention, all of the cups, clamps, handles and reels can easily be arranged to reinforce uniquely shaped pieces. The S3 is available in 3 configurations: the 1-reel, 2-reel and 3-reel system. The 1-reel system gives you the ability to strengthen your smaller materials, while the 2 and 3-reel systems provide that extra support for your larger slabs. This product is sold in both automatic and manual models. Our automatic versions include a powerful yet compact reel-mounted, rechargeable lithium-ion battery-powered vacuum pump called our VMP750. This pump maintains consistent pressure for up to 5 hours per charge, allowing you to focus on the task at hand without having to manually pump the cups. And these high-flow vacuum release valves are simple to switch on or off for fast, hassle-free removal of the system once your piece is safely in place. The 3-reel automatic model you see here comes with all the bells and whistles, including 2 lifting handle kits with a durable polyurethane closed cell foam grip, 2 leveler leg kits that allow you to level out your pieces after it's already in an upright position for easier wall panel installation, rigid cross braces in both 36 and 60-inch lengths, and 2 collapsible kickstands that allow you to simply and safely rest your material upright for easy application of mortar or adhesive. We always recommend purchasing our 3-reel automatic model because it's like having all 3 configurations in one kit. But if you're interested in starting out smaller, we have good news for you. All of the accessories you see here are also available separately. So if you decide to start with the 1-reel or the 2-reel option, you can add to it. Not to mention, you can easily transform your manual model to an automatic model with the purchase of a single VMP750. When using the S3, you're saving more than your thin material. You're saving your time, and time is money. You're saving your reputation, and most of all, you're saving your peace of mind, and that's priceless. Visit our website at omnicubed.com to learn more, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future pro overviews. Until next time, cheerio!